Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you AI gigs review. So what actually is AI gigs? Guys, AI gigs is a brand new automated FIVEAA technology that creates 100% done for you and ready to profit AI gigs with done for you gig sites in just seconds for a low on time price. Creator of this software AI gigs Amit Gaikwad and Anirudh Bhavra. This software goes live on 28th of August 11 a.m. EST. Right now I'm in the sales space of this software AI gigs. Guys, I'm going to show you step by step all the information about this software AI gigs. I'm going to show you the pricing and OTOs that no one can share with you. I'm going to show you also quick demo how actually works this software, guys. So please don't skip this video before watching demo. And this software is 100% risk free. They will give you 30 days money back guarantee. And Amit Gaikwad and Anirudh Bhavra, they actually launched lots of software successfully, so you have no problem, guys. Okay, I'm just going to jump on my blog, guys. I put all the information about this software AI gigs here. Here is a lots of information I put, like what is AI gigs all about. AI gigs software works 3 simple steps. Now it's time to turn your orders into blazing in just 3 easy steps, and there is no huge investment or time needed. Step number 1, login. Step number 2, faced gig and marketing copy. Step number 3, profit. And here is the complete product overview, guys. The product name is AI Gigs. Launch date is 28th of August, 11 a.m. EST. Here's the official website link, and the price only $17, 30 days money back guarantee. And also you can see this demo. You'll be fully understand afterwards this demo, guys. So at first, let's see the demo. Then I'm going to show you all the pricing and OTOs that I put here on my blog. Also, you can check out all the information. Link in my video description below. So at first, let's see this quick demo that created by the software creator, guys. You will be fully understand. You will be able to create FIVEAA gig like this type of website easily. This is the FIVEAA gig. You can sell your service like this way. Okay, guys, you can sell your service like this way. You can create easily this type of gigs website using this software AI gigs. So let's see the demo first. This is very easy to use software, guys. You can sell anything what you want actually. Okay, and this is the quick overview of the software AI Geeks. Here is the about the creator information, AI Geeks facers, all the facers you can see here on my blog, and what AI Geeks can do for you. Use artificial intelligence, reach out to tons of clients globally with no extra efforts, and stop paying one FIVEAA commissions. AI Geeks OTOs discount coupons and pricing options. Right now I'm going to show you guys. The front end offer is AI Geeks only $17. You can see all the spacers inside the members area, and they will provide guys training, so you have no problem. And OTO number 1 Pro edition $37, OTO number 2 Unlimited edition $37, OTO number 4 is Buyer Blast, guys. That's price is $67. Okay, OTO number 5 is agency license $97. OTO number 6 is reseller license $97. This is not mandatory for everyone, guys. Okay, and OTO number 7 is white label license $197. This is all the OTOs. You can see also all the OTOs, link in my video description below. Do you have any questions? You can see all the pricing and all the questions answer available here. And this is all of my bonus. When you click here, you can see all of my bonuses that I will give you totally free. You can see all the bonuses inside the members area when you purchase this software through our link. Okay, guys, and that's it. This is the quick overview. If you want to learn more, please click the link in my video description below. Also check out before purchase all the information that put the vendor on the sales page. And they actually claim, guys, this is 100% risk-free, 30 days money back guarantee. I hope, guys, you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family who actually struggling to sell their service on FIVEAA and Upwork, freelancer.com. You can create your own website like FIVEAA and Upwork, so you have no problem, no hassle, and no cut the commissions. You can put all the commissions in your own pocket. I hope, guys, you subscribe to my channel. Let's just say, see you soon in my next video.